Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're there. I have received my parcel from the Nature's Essence. They have sent me their 5 facial kits, and these are as follows: glowing gold facial kit, brightening diamond facial kit, whitening pearl facial kit, flawless papaya facial kit, and gentle fruit facial kit. They want me to review it and tell you guys in detail about the facial kits present in this. Not all of them, I guess one or two, and so on. I will be sharing my review on one or two of the facial kits present in this. Soon you will be seeing a review. Okay, so these are the 5 facial kits that I have received. The first one is Gentle Fruit Facial Kit for glowing skin that is fresh, nourished. It is basically for D10 therapy. Okay, this is the first one. Then the second one is Brightening Diamond Facial Kit. It is again for D10 therapy. Oh, sorry. This is for the skin that's diamond white, diamond bright. Then the third one is Whitening Pearl Facial Kit. Then fourth one is Glowing Gold Facial Kit. And the last one is Flawless Papaya Facial Kit. So I have received these 5 kits, and out of which I'm going to review any 2 of them. You can suggest me which facial kit you want me guys to review. I will do that and keep you guys posted about it. So this is the product that I have received from Nature's Essence, and soon I will be reviewing these products. Thank you guys. Take care.